5 looks using the one palette, crushed it. Hey everyone, it's Caitlin. Today I have my hands on the new Mecca Max Beauty Queen palette. My challenge today is create 5 looks using the one palette. With all these colors, it shouldn't be too hard to do. So for look number 1, I think I'm gonna go with like a goldy peach vibe. God, I just don't know how to hold this. First color I'm gonna go in with is this peachy color here. I really do like this color. I'm just gonna bring that same color onto the lower lash line. Now to make the look really pop, we're gonna do the highlight on the inner corner to make it really stand out. I love the way that these colors are making my eyes stand out. So now I'm just gonna go in with the highlighting color and just pop it on my cheeks to add a bit more glow. Now that's it for my look number 1. Super simple, easy, but effective for an everyday glowy peachy look. Now for look number 2, I'm thinking we go something a little bit more of a darker evening look. Let's go in with this one. So I'm focusing this color mainly in the outer corner to make it really nice and smoky. This color's really cool. It's like a dark purple kind of color. I'm just gonna go on the lower lash line now with that same color. So I'm gonna do something a little wild and go on the inner corner with a mint green color. I'm just gonna show you guys how amazing this color is. Look at that. I absolutely love these colors together. Just to add a finishing touch to this look, I'm going to add some silver to the brow bone. And that's our smoky eye look done. Now for look number 3, I'm gonna go in with something different again. It's gonna be a pink halo eye. I'm gonna be using these 2 shades here. How beautiful is this marble effect? It's what really amps up the shimmer in these looks. So to do a halo eye, I like to start in the outer corner and then go to the inner corner and sweep it through my crease. Leave the middle part a little bit more bare, and I'm gonna add a bit of eyeshadow primer to really make the highlighting color stick on the inside here. To finish off the eye, I'm just gonna add a bit of that first hot pink color on the lower lash line. So while I'm here, let's just add some of that hot pink to the cheeks. Love products that are multi-use. Look 3 is done. Look 4, let's do a burnt burgundy smoky eye. I'm gonna be going in with this one here. So for this one, I'm just doing the wash of color all over the lid. Super simple. Again, bringing it to the lower lash line just to define the eye a little bit more. If you haven't worked it out already, I am a massive fan of smoking out the lower lash line. So I haven't actually tried this color yet, so I'm gonna go in with that on the brow bone and a bit on the inner corner as well. Why not just add a little bit of that one to the Cupid's bow as well? So that is look 4 out of 5 done. For my final look today, I'm gonna go for more of an ice queen look. I'm gonna be using purple with a hint of silver. Again, I'm doing this as more of a wash over the lid, just nice and soft. I'm gonna do something a little different now, and I'm not going to define my lower lash line. So we're gonna go in with our highlighting color. Make it a little bit more icy. I'm gonna go in with the highlighting color again and just do it underneath my brow bone. So this look is reminding me of like a frosted 90s kind of vibe. It's very different to what I'd normally wear, but I love it. So I'm all done. I managed to do 5 looks using the one Mecca Max Beauty Queen palette. Yas, queen. It's in stores now, so go grab yours. If you guys have any other challenges for me to do, make sure you put them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya!